guys, welcome back. It's me Adi, and today I'm going to be teaching you how we can make a auto-incrementing scroll frame. As you can see, the end result is shown here. So let's get started on the topic. First of all, create a blank studio project. Now add a scrolling frame inside a screen GUI with custom names or follow mine. And now customize the scrolling GUI as you like. This is my formatting time lapse. And then you can add any GUI item, for example a button, into the scrolling GUI. And now start making it beautiful. Also, don't forget to add a UI list layout. It is compulsory for auto-incrementing. It aligns all GUI children of the scrolling GUI like a list. Again, my formatting time lapse. Here I'm duplicating the GUI item multiple times to see how they look when the UI list layout affects them. I'm also playing with the padding option of the UI list layout. Remember, the first decimal is the scale and the other whole number is the offset. I don't recommend changing the offset from 0. Some more editing. Note that I also added a UI corner child to the button to give it a round border. At last comes the fun part for me. Now add a local script inside the scrolling GUI and then follow me. Okay, so first of all you'll need to make a variable for the scrolling frame. As you can see, it is a script's parent for me, so I type the same value for the variable. Then make a variable for the UI list layout and give it the value according to your setup. Now make a local function with a name like mine. Then type this line of code with your variable names accordingly. Basically, this code changes the vertical scrolling space of the scrolling frame according to the items the UI list layout has detected. And if you're wondering, that error is cause I write Python. And then we run this function after it's written. Also, we connect the child added and child removed signals of the scrolling frame to the same function. So it adjusts the size of the scrolling frame when new items come or old items get deleted inside the scrolling frame. And then old Adi started filling the script with comments so that people who download the file know how to change it. And now you can copy or understand the script by pausing. I will also create a function that duplicates the button every 1 second so that we can see the frame resize. That was a basic function that clones the original button and puts it inside the scrolling frame. And now I will create another function thread by using the spawn function. Code given to the spawn function will work in the background while letting the other parts of your script also run. This code adds a button using the previous function every second. Let's now test out our game. As you can see, as the number of buttons increases, their sizes also increase. Now, this is how you stop it from happening. It's easy, you just have to add a UI aspect ratio constant and adjust its whole number value until the button or whatever goes back to its original size. Now let's play the game and see it working successfully. So that's it for this video and I hope you guys found it useful. This was me Adi kicking the microphone and running out. Wait, don't forget to subscribe for more content like this. Also don't forget to like or dislike this video. Bye.